Jai Shri Ram dosto. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is extremely special because I had the divine blessing to visit the holy city of Ayodhya, the birthplace of Maryada Purushottam Prabhu Shri Ram. Ayodhya is not just a city, it's an emotion, a spiritual vibration, a place where every breath carries the name of Ram. And at the heart of this sacred city stands the magnificent Shri Ram Mandir, a temple so grand, so divine that words fall short. This is one of the largest and the most beautifully constructed temple in India. The architecture, the carvings, the vibe, the energy, everything feels heavenly. I have never experienced anything like this anywhere in else. As I walked through the streets of Ayodhya, every corner echoed with devotion, from the vibrant lanes surrounding Hanuman Gadi to the peaceful stairs of Rampadi to the breathtaking view of new Ram Mandir. Every step felt like walking through history, faith, and devotion. I captured everything: the chant, the beauty of the temple, the emotion of the devotee, and the divine aura that fills Ayodhya all day. So, join me in this journey as we explore the sacred land of Sri Ram, visiting Ram Mandir, Hanuman Gadi, Rampadi, and the blessed city of Ayodhya. This is not just a travel video, this is an experience, a feeling, a blessing. Let's begin this divine journey together. Jai Shri Ram. And now our journey begins. Everyone is seated in the car, elders, youngsters, and the little kids, all filled with excitement and devotion. Even the children know something very special is happening today. They are going to see the divine Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. With joy in our hearts and Jai Shri Ram on our lips, we start moving toward the holy city, ready to experience the blessing of Prabhu Shri Ram. As we move closer to Ayodhya, the roads are beautifully constructed and the journey feels effortless. And the moment you enter the city, you can see it everywhere: walls, painting, symbols, colors. Everything is filled with the devotion of Sri Ram. The whole Ayodhya Nagari looks divine, as if every corner is blessed with Ramji's presence. So, right in front of us, you can see the grand gate of Ayodhya, the main entry point to the Ram Mandir. But today, this entry is closed because it's Tuesday and there is a massive rush of devotees. Outside, you can see the beautiful Ram and Hanumanji theme park. The lightning setup looks stunning. Ramji, Hanumanji, along with statue of lion, monkey, and other divine symbol. The whole surrounding area is glowing with devotion and looks absolutely beautiful. We were also informed by the local that Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji is visiting today. So maybe due to the security protocol, this gate is not open for the public. Luckily, we met a local person and he knows the entire temple campus very well. He guided us through a special side route where we had to walk very few steps to reach the temple. He knows all the in and outs paths, so he helped us get closer without any confusion. As we moved, we found that Ayodhya Nagari is full of monkeys everywhere. You can see lots and lots of monkeys throughout the city, sitting on walls, trees, rooftop, and even near the temple pathway. After moving ahead, we all received tika on our forehead, and the feeling of devotion became even stronger. Jai Shri Ram glowing on our forehead felt truly blessed. It was such a divine moment. From here, we took prasad and then move on to Hanumangadi. So in front, you can see the Hanuman Gadi, the divine abode of Bajrang Bali. As we moved forward, we could already feel the powerful energy of Hanumanji calling us. There was a huge rush, thousands of devotees climbing with faith and devotion. Hanuman Gadi is situated on height, So we had to climb a long series of steps. But every step felt blessed as if Hanumanji himself was giving us strength. With Jai Bajrang Bali in our heart, our journey to meet Hanumanji began. After taking the divine darshan of Hanumanji at Hanumangadi, our hearts were filled with strength, peace, and devotion. Now, with that same spiritual energy, we began moving towards the most sacred place of this entire journey, the newly constructed Ram Mandir. Every step we took felt blessed, every breath carried the name of Sri Ram, and the excitement within us kept growing because now we are heading towards the divine darbar of Maryada Purushottam Prabhu Sri Ram. So from here, our journey continues from Hanumangadi straight towards the magnificent Ram Mandir. Hari Om. Jai Shri Ram. Love Kush Mohan. As we moved forward, we saw long lines of devotees walking toward the Ram Mandir. Everyone was filled with faith, excitement, and devotion. The entire pathway echoed with the chant of Jai Shri Ram. Before entering the mandir, there is an important rule like mobile phones are not allowed inside. So, just before the main entrance, all devotees have to deposit their mobiles at the designated counters. We also have to submit our phone there, and after depositing, they give us coupon for safe collection later. Here we deposited our mobile phone and received the coupon safely. And now, from this very point, our hearts are filled with excitement because we are finally moving toward the divine darshan of Prabhu Shri Ramji. The atmosphere around us is pure devotion, chant of Jai Shri Ram echoing everywhere. So finally, we came out after taking the divine darshan of Ramlala. And let me tell you the truth, it was one of the most powerful spiritual moments of my life. The energy inside the temple, the spiritual atmosphere, it felt like meditation. There were so many positive vibes that the moment I saw the black stone idol of Ramlala with that shining diamond on his forehead, something happened inside me. My whole body felt charged. The hair on my hands literally stood up. Real goosebump. It was a completely divine experience. Yes, the security teams moves everyone quickly because of the huge crowd. We all wished we could stay a little longer and keep looking at Ramlala, but even in those few seconds, everyone stopped, focused, and absorbed that divine presence. We came out feeling blessed, peaceful, and filled with a new energy as if Prabhu Sri Ram himself touched our heart. It was almost 8 p.m. at night. We finally reached Ram Ki Padi. The moment we reached, the atmosphere changed completely. Standing beside the holy Saryu River, watching the Diya flame dance in the night, it felt truly divine. People were taking holy dips, some were sitting silently, and some were chanting. The whole place was glowing with devotion. After the aarti, we walked around, enjoyed some local food, and relaxed for a while. Nearby, there was a small areas, food items were sold there, so we sat there, talked, and soaked in the peaceful night of Ayodhya. Everywhere around the temple campus, you can see construction work is in progress. Ram Mandir is already grand, but believe me, after 2 3 years, it will be even more magnificent. The size of the temple is beyond imagination. Every small pillar has such detailed carvings, such fine craftsmanship. It shows the devotion that has gone into building it. The entire area is huge, beautifully planned, and still growing. Finally, after spending this blessed time, we begin our journey back with a heart full of energy and peace and a mind full of blessing. And truly, we must appreciate the entire management of this Ram Mandir. Handling such a massive mandir and such a huge crowd daily is not easy, but they are doing an incredible job. Overall, this visit to Ayodhya made us feel deeply blessed. Coming here felt like reconnecting with our roots, our culture, and our faith in Shri Ram. It was already late, and still there were many places that we could not visit this time. So we have decided we will definitely come again. And if you are planning to visit Ayodhya, remember one thing, come early in the morning or plan at least 2 days. Only then you will be able to see everything peacefully and truly feel the beauty of this sacred place. Ram Mandir is not just a temple, it is an experience. You can feel the faith, the energy, and the divine vibration in every step you take here. The craftsmanship is unbelievable. Every wall, every carving, every corner has a story. So don't come here in a hurry just for a quick darshan. Take your time, look closely at the art, the architecture, the devotion behind every stone. Only then you will understand the true glory of this mandir. With this, our journey comes to an end for today, but we will meet again in the next video where we will explore another beautiful place. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Shri Ram.